I was discussing yesterday about Yuktahara. This word is used by Bhagavan in the Bhagavad Gita. Ahara Yuktaha. Food must be yogic. It must be properly guided by yogic concept of eco-friendly life system. Many of us, though scientifically child-oriented, feel that we are taking food for our tongue. That is the root cause for all disorders. Food is not for tongue. Tongue is a special sense. It is Jnanendriya and Karmendriya both. As it is an instrument for tasting the things, like that, this is the instrument for communication. When we take good food, good words come from the same tongue. We have to feed good food for our tongue, so that our tongue in return gives good thoughts to others. Very interesting relation. We have to make our tongue so refined to communicate good words to others. The Vakya Pradhana. In order to facilitate this function, we have to make it clean by feeding good food. Though there are many centers in our tongue, they are capable of tasting all 6 types of juice, Shad Rasa. But we have to feed good food. Why? Because our tongue also says us that I must talk good words. If tongue must talk good words, then mind must be good. When mind must be good, then we have to take sattvic food only. As I told yesterday, food taken in will be classified into 3. The subtlest part of our own food formulates our brain cells. For brain cell, it is that sattvic food. Below neck, we have another department. For that, rajasic food also necessary. To develop all other limbs below neck, we require rajasic food, no doubt. So for that, little bit katu, little bit amla, little lavana, little Ushna, it is good, no problem. Not too much, but it's good. But that food must be Rasyaha, Snigdhaha, Hrityaha. 3 words Bhagavan uses for food. It must be juicy, it must not be dry. It must be soft. It must be Hritya. Hritya means it must be helpful for emotional purity, for activation of our brain cells. This is called sattvic food. More and more we take tamasic food, we will be strong, no doubt. If we feel more and more rajasic food, physically we will be strong. At the same time, emotionally, intellectually, we will be weak. It is also for experimentation. Great people of human history, how they led their life, what was their main taste. All these experiments going on. All it is experimented to in our tradition. Our people, they have experimented this. After experimentation, only they have told us these things. But now we are living in the scientific world, so yes, more and more scientific experimentation must come forward to justify all these tested truths. So, Ayurveda says, Kaha Aruk, who is free from disease? Answer comes, one who is Hitabhuk, Mitabhuk, and Rutabhuk. 3 words, 3 answers. Hita. What is Hita? It is good to our nature. Eco-friendly. For that we have to examine our own nature. What is my nature? It is very important. What is my nature? Naturally, there will be 4 types of people. People who live with brain power, they are different category. Naturally, they will have more power, grasping power, recollecting power, communicating power, creative power. Such people are there. That is known in very early tender age. It is known. Parents must help them. What kind of son I have, what kind of daughter I have, what is his main attitude, interest, leanings, all these they have to examine. In the light of that proper assessment, they have to take their children. So some people, they will have that type of power, brain power, extraordinary brain power. For them, you have to give another type of food. Kind of food will be different. And some people, they, by very birth, have more strength, physical strength. It is called Bahubala. One is Buddhibala, second one is Bahubala. That also we have to examine. What is the special area of interest of my child? That is to be examined. If he is so much interested in physical activity, we have to give that type of food. But it is very much shifting sometime. While examining someone's specific area of interest and attitude, the examiner must be very, very scientific. He has to be very accurate. There must be proper cross-checking system. After studying slow, long-running assessment, we have to conclude. Even after we conclude it, we must be open-minded to receive new things, because man, the unknown, inner powers are scattered, so that up to 7th of age we have to examine every child. That is why that particular time it is prescribed for that. After that only you have to take them for exam, for education. That was the old system. Parents, they were watching keenly, because in that tender age, interest will be shifting from one to another. You have to watch. These two powers, one is Brahma power and one is Kshatriya power. Two powers, major powers there. Some are by birth, they possess Kshatriya. Some they possess Brahma. Only these two powers. Aurobindo says, these two are very important. Both are complementary. They are not divergent forces. But in every person, any of these two dominates. According to that, we have to give food. Sattvic food we have to give. If they have inborn Brahma energy, Brahma power, then we have to give only Sattvic food. More and more Sattvic food. Rajasika, okay, partially. Then up to 7th of their age, this process goes. After that, but every child must take the second birth. Second birth means it is for entry in the education field. So this food system, it is directly related to one's academic program. That academic program directly related to his future plans and future probabilities, future prospects. These are all very much linked. If we make some mistake, there will be derived. So parents are the real gurus. Mother is the first guru and father is the second guru. Why they are called gurus? Because all these subtleties they have to understand. According to their assessment, they have to plan what? Everything they have to plan. Ahara they have to plan, vihara they have to plan. Swapna, avabodha, karma, all 5 aspects of our life we have to plan. Yukta ahara, viharasya, yukta cheshtasya karmasu, yukta swapna avabodhasya yogo bhavati dukha. This understanding is miserably missing in our family system now. We have no this awareness. That is the main problem. Everyone feels that if I give more and more tasty food and some food which are popular in TV and in other mass media, such food we give. Children also, by seeing TV, they will be attracted towards those food. And they start demanding for reading. These things we have to be very much careful. See, one important thing, from very time immemorial, this land is famous for its brain power. Naturally it is gifted. How it is? Because we have 12 hours daytime throughout the whole year, in all 12 months, in 360 days. That very fact shows that we are specially graced by Sun God. Sun God, he possesses special type of ray in him to activate our 101 nadis. It is not only sun, according to the Veda, it is sun and Surya and Soma. Solar and lunar, these two type of cosmic energies are cogently combined here on this earth. Nowhere, neither in Jupiter nor in Venus or in any other planets. It is only here, Earth, that type of special combination takes place. That is why here we see biodiversity, innumerable types of plants, innumerable types of species. But we human beings, we are naturally elevated beings. That very fact that we have this vertical structure of body, the main activity center is our brain. Our brain, in the sense that is from heart to this Brahmarandha, 101 nadis, that is the special feature of our personality. That is to be activated. That is to be utilized for the whole life journey. For that, whatever food is good, whatever life system is good, that is good for us. That's all. How to measure us? What is the parameter with which we can select, we can accept or neglect something? This is the criteria. Whatever is helpful to make me man, with capital M, that is good for me. That's all. This very combination of Surya and Soma here, it makes us good human beings. If we are away from the sun rays and Soma Surya combination, we become animals. Our unique features will be going down. 101 bodies will be inactive. That is where we become ordinary animals. No human content to eat. Now in this modern age, deliberately, in the name of scientific thing, we are adopting all these things. The real science is the solar science, solar lunar science. This is called Surya Vijnana, according to Jyotish Shastra. Surya Vijnana, this is the real Vijnana. Ancient Vedic science means it is Surya Vijnana. Surya Vijnana gives us light on all these aspects. What is good, what is bad. How much time you have to sleep, how much time I have to wake up. What time I have to wake up, what time I have to go to sleep. What food is good for me, what is not. It is called Brihad Samhita. This book is by Varaha Mihira, a great Jyotirvidwan belonging to 5th, 6th century, probably AD. There he gives proper guidance. What is Yukta Ahara? What is Yukta Vihara? What is Yukta Karma? What is Yukta Swapna? And what is Yukta Avabodha? 5 aspects of life. 5 aspects of life. thinking this, how to make whole life integrated with yoga, let us contemplate on the same thought process and internalize. More and more these thoughts we chew and try to internalize, it gets assimilated. Once it is assimilated, it is reflected in our life system, it is reflected in our journey. Just sitting correct for a while, let us think that I have to make my whole life integrated with yoga. I am here in Prashanti to make whole life sublime. By observing yoga in each and every inch of my life. It is difficult, no doubt. All of us have our own sanskaras. We have come from different types of sanskaras. They sometimes pull down us. We are living in very juncture period where we will have dilemma whether to accept or reject, whether to do or not to do. This is there. But we are here to overcome all these things. I tried my level best to overcome. Every saint has past. Every sinner will have future. This very statement helps us to overcome our own previous defects. Let us forget all those defaults committed in the past. Try to create new future. If one man adopts yogic life, integrated yogic life, there will be one less sinner in this world. One less defaulter in this world. One less destroyer of this nature in this world. One less person to suck blood of this nature, great nature. If I integrate the whole life journey with yoga, there will be one less to exploit, one less to cheat, one less to misuse, one less to mislead, one less to misunderstand, one less to mismanage. If many people think like this, naturally this whole world becomes full of good people. Naturally there will be shift of Kali from Kali to Krita. Now we are living in that type of juncture. That is what Yukteswar Giri Maharaj tells in his book, The Holy Science. limited period I have my own role to play. I can contribute some concrete things to this world. For that purpose I am here. I am not a straw in this stream. I am not a part of history. I am here to create history. I am here to stand against the current of unwanted thoughts, unwanted deeds, unwanted desires. I have a bright future. I erase my past, that previous past. Now I got enlightenment. Let this lead me to the bright future. I am here participating in many satsang. Gita is there to help me. Vivekananda's life is there to help me. Many role models are there in front of me here to follow. With this positive note, I have to start my journey in my day. Whatever the unwanted things around us, around me, I have to forget. I take only good things. I don't go to thoughts. I just seek for this. I take flowers without hurting the plant. This sort of positive attitude helps us. Every time the same drawback, every saint has past, every sinner will have future. I also have future. With this positive note, with this Sankalpa Yoga, Abhyasa Yoga, this is called Abhyasa Yoga. Deliberately we go on chewing and chewing positive thoughts. We go on injecting positive thoughts to our mind. This type of technique is called Abhyasa Yoga. Let us conclude today's satsang with this note. Om Shanti.